How to add sounds to Discord soundboard on mobile. So if you want to add sounds to your Discord soundboard on mobile, then you can't do that from your application on your Discord. So what you need to do is just simply go with your browser on your device. Now on your browser, you need to search for Discord and open up your Discord on your browser. Tap on Open Discord in your browser. Now once you've logged into your Discord on your browser, make sure that you're on the desktop site, which is on the top right. You need to go with the three dots and then tap on desktop site. Now you need to just go with a server. Now once you're under your server, you need to just go with the drop down, which is on the top right. Under drop down, you need to go with server settings. Now under server settings, here you will have soundboard option. Tap on soundboard, and here you need to tap on upload sound and just simply go with browse, and you can choose a file from your mobile. You can add the sound name, the related emoji, sound volume, and then upload. That's how you can upload or add sounds to Discord soundboard on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.